kick us off, why was Dyno looking for a pharma partner?
Well, if there's one thing we know about gene therapy, it's that it's incredibly complex and no one has all the answers. While there's been significant progress all across the field, optimizing and scaling these therapies still remains a challenge. So partnership was Dyno's answer to the question of how can we maximize our positive impact on patients? Through partnership, Dyno can maintain our specialized focus, creating high-performance technologies that solve key therapeutic challenges like in vivo delivery. And by working and collaborating with committed and experienced partners like Astellas to solve problems together, we can develop many more transformative therapies than we could if we had only worked alone.
The partnership is playing an important role in helping overcome complex challenges at every stage of the value chain. At Astellas, we seek the best-in-class AAV capsid to maximize therapeutics impact of our gene therapy portfolio for patients. We identified Dyno as a partner in 2021 for bringing robust research capabilities under the same vision. What was it that made Astellas stand out to Dyno as a prospective partner during those early discussions?
Well, Astellas is a world leader in gene therapies with several AV pipeline assets and deep expertise in AV optimization. Astellas and Dyno also share the ambition to advance the field of gene therapy more broadly, in particular by using next-generation AV technology to deliver transformative gene therapies to patients. So together we saw a real opportunity to accelerate the creation of new therapies by combining our complementary capabilities. Each team brings unique strengths to the partnership, and our respective roles reflect this. The novel AV capsid is Dyno's responsibility, and in this case, optimizing for skeletal and heart muscle delivery. Astellas' responsibility is to create the full gene therapy product by combining the novel capsid with relevant payloads, and then to manufacture the product at sufficient scale to support clinical trials and commercialization. The strengths of our respective teams and our long-term commitment to innovation in gene therapy convinced me that this would be a winning combination to bring outstanding new therapies to patients.
It's so important that the deal structure is tailored to best serve the partnership like this. This also comes through in the long-term nature of the collaboration. That's why we are building an end-to-end gene therapy powerhouse with industry-leading discovery, development, manufacturing, and commercial capabilities. Our facilities have established a robust global supply chain to support clinical and commercial scale manufacturing of Astellas and our partners' AAVs for gene therapies. So Eric, from your perspective, why is it critical to have a long-term view in uncharted areas such as gene therapy?
Pioneering new frontiers, such as gene therapy, requires focus and determination. Innovation here takes time. But just think of the possibilities for patients if we persevere. For example, Dyno's goal is to create better gene delivery technology so that all patients can benefit from gene therapies. And it's very important that we take a long-term view because each innovation, every step, unlocks new therapeutic potential. So if we can specifically reach more of our target cells and at a lower dose, therapy should be more effective, safer, and easier to tolerate. Further improving efficiency will then lower the cost of goods, making therapies cheaper to produce and therefore more affordable and accessible to patients. This is all achievable if we set ambitious goals, work with agility, and continue to reach for excellence.
As partners, we must be resilient, like patients themselves who inspire us at every step. With every win, we accelerate, and when things don't go to plan, we learn rapidly and we go again. In our deal structure with Dyno, we have set established goals and milestones to ensure the collaboration is productive, but ensure there is flexibility so we can best deliver on our shared innovation potential for many years to come. However, speaking as an alliance manager, how we work together day to day and the trust-based relationships we build are just as important. Eric, can you speak to what helps building the relationship between Astellas and Dyno and how that impacts work?
An innovative partnership, it's only as good as our ability to collaborate effectively and to deliver on our shared goals. We have partnership success principles that guide our mindset and our interactions. And one of these is same team, same goal. We think about us and our partners as one team working together to achieve success for patients. We believe that trust is necessary to navigate the unknown together. Recently, that trust and dedication to teamwork enabled us to progress our scientific efforts in good faith while an official agreement was being reached. This accelerated the pace of our work together by many months, maybe even years. And this is just one example of many where thinking as one team was advantageous for our partnership and for patients.
So Eric, thank you for taking the time to share your insights. Are there any final key takeaways you'd like to share?
It's a really exciting time for gene therapy and for biomedicine generally. Realizing the potential of gene therapy will take time, commitment, and agility. But I'm seeing developments every day that are bringing us closer to a future where treatments are available to a much larger number of patients. My hope is that someday soon, every patient will be able to benefit from gene therapy. Taking advantage of these developments will require collaboration and a willingness to put trust and transparency at the heart of our partnerships. And our partnership with Astellas is a perfect example of how successful this approach can be.